This 2015 Coachman Freedom Expressway is brought to you by Fort City Motors. Come see us at Fort City Motors in Fort Smith, AR 3508 Midland Boulevard. Call/text Kevin at 479-719-2418. This 2015 Coachman by Forest River Freedom Express 233 RBS is the 50th anniversary edition travel trailer. It comes equipped with bumper pull, power tongue jack, manual leveling jacks, 2 slides power slides, TV, DVD player, microwave, stove, kitchen table, queen size bed, bathroom with shower, and more. Stop in today and have a look. See attached color brochure for more information and specs. Specifications: shipping weight 4471 GBWR, 7000 lbs. Hitch weight 635. Carrying capacity 2487. Exterior length 24 and amp, number 39, 11 and quote. Bumper to hitch, exterior height 10 and amp, number 39, 9 and quote. Includes A/C, interior height 81 and quote, hauling length 16.